Young Nab, baby.
Guys, HellaHard. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to change the cabin filter and air filter on a 2003 Audi A4 1.8 turbo. So first things first, guys, you want to go ahead and stop by your local auto parts store and get the recommended air filter and cabin filter. These are the recommended tools to complete both. Next, you're just going to start by lifting the hood and removing the battery cover. Then go ahead and remove this washer cover surrounding the battery. Then left to the battery just above the AC lines, go ahead and remove the cabin filter cover. And now go ahead and remove the cabin filter. So guys, notice how the airflow points down. When I pulled out the old filter, it was actually the other way around. So that's a big thing to watch out for. Here we are, we got the old filter and new filter side by side. So let's go ahead and install the new filter. When installing the new filter, like I said before, you want the airflow pointing down because the heat from the engine is going to be going inside the cabin and you want that hot air to be filtered. Now we'll go ahead and complete the cabin filter installation by putting the cover back on. And don't forget to put on your washer cover. And you're just gonna go ahead and slide this in the notch back there and then grab the front lip and bend it over, push it down just like that. And finally, your battery cover goes back on top, and that is how you guys install the cabin filter. And now time for the air filter. First, you guys are going to start off by taking off this left piece of intake tubing. And don't worry if it takes you a couple tries. You may need 2 hands for this. And also, go ahead and remove this little notch from that little hole right there. Then we're going to remove this hose right here. It's held on by this clamp right here. Take your pliers and go ahead and just squeeze it a little bit and move your hand up and down and slide it over. And then you should be able to go ahead and just slide it right off like that. Then you're just gonna go ahead and move these on over to give you some extra room to play with. And you're only gonna be focused on these 2 screws right here. So take your Phillips screwdriver and go ahead and loosen both bolts. And bam, that allows access to the filter. Go ahead and slide it out and look at that filter, all dirty. Time for replacing. Wow guys, just look at the difference comparing the old filter and the new filter. We'll definitely get a lot better gas consumption off of this. So we're gonna go ahead and install this new clean filter, slide it in, and it fits perfectly just like that. All right, guys, we are almost done. And pretty much all we need to do now is retrace our steps and do the reverse of what we did when taking out the air filter. All right, guys, we are about done, and that is how you do an air filter and cabin filter change. All right, well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And if you guys would like to support the channel, please visit the website, purchase a hoodie, and stay tuned for when the decals come out. And until next time, guys, keep supporting your boy. Peace.